In this video, I'll show you how to embed Google Sheet into a Google Sites website. First, open the document you want to publish on your Google site. Click on Share. Under General Access, make sure it is set to anyone with the link. Then click on Copy Link and click Done. Now go over to Google Site and open the site where you would like to embed the Google Sheet. Scroll down to the section where you want to place the sheet. Click on Embed. Then choose by URL. Paste the copy link and click Insert. Once inserted, you will see your Google Sheet on the page. You can resize it, move it around, and place it wherever you want on the site. Google Sites saves your changes automatically. When you are ready, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.